You need to watch this if you're struggling with where to start investing. ETFs might just be your ticket to financial success. Let's break it down. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is like a basket of goodies. It holds a mix of stocks, bonds, or commodities and trades on the stock market like a single stock. There are different types of ETFs: index, sector, bond, and global ETFs. They focus on everything from tech to healthcare. ETFs help you diversify your investments, cut down on risk, and access various markets without breaking the bank. Perfect for beginners. Many successful investors start small with ETFs. By investing consistently in low-cost index ETFs, reinvesting dividends, and thinking long-term, even the smallest investments can grow over time. Ready to kickstart your investment journey? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips.